I will be recording a quick demo of the full text search feature for BOLO, for the BOLO application. So here we currently have the home screen that displays all the BOLOs. I have not added pictures to the BOLO, so that's why they look a little bit bland without the pictures. But as you can see, we have a few different pages with BOLOs that have been filled in. And I will show you how we can do the full text search. So here we have the search bar, which we can do a search of basically any sort of sequence of characters or keywords, and any BOLO containing that in their fields will show up as the result. So for instance, if we do robbery, it'll give us all of the robbery BOLOs. And we can also do, for instance, money, and it'll show us the BOLO that contains that word. So once we click details, you can see that in the summary it says money stolen, so that's why this BOLO showed up. Or even if we do, for instance, AP, it'll show us kidnapping because it has the characters AP in it. Or it'll show us this one since it has AP in the happened of the summary. So basically the full text search works in a way that any sort of characters or keywords that a BOLO contains, it will query through the BOLOs and pull up any of the BOLOs that match that sort of keyword or character. So this is currently our full text search. And yeah, thank you.